What do you guys need installed in your computer to be able to use React? What framework? Node.js.
Right?
Yes. Node. Correct, Mamadou. Have you ever built a React app, Mamadou?
Yes, I built a project on my last class, was a full stack project.
Oh, nice. So then, therefore, you made it as a React app.
Yes.
Okay. So basically, you have to have Node installed. And React was first introduced or created by Facebook. Okay. And let me go ahead and look for some resources for you guys to self-explore. And after you guys self-explore, I'm going to give you some demo on how to create a simple app in React, okay? So you guys are first going to do self-exploration, then discuss your discovery, and then we're going to go over creating your first React app in this full stack bootcamp. When I mean first React app, I mean first in the bootcamp. I mean, if you guys have created React apps in the past, it's not the same as the first in this bootcamp. Okay. All right. So let me give you the information that you are going to be exploring right now. There are 5 links that I have posted on the notebook, and I will copy and paste it from the notebook to here. Today is the day number 7. Give me a quick minute, please. Oh, I haven't updated the day number 7. Oh, okay, give me 1 second. React and bootcamp. Bootcamp. Copy and paste. Thinking React, require reading. All right. I have posted in here. Oh, 1 second, please. Copy this. Go to this. Paste it here. And sir. Okay, so please access this. I need you to go over all the links in this notebook for React, day number 7 today. There is on the notebook, okay, there is one required reading. Okay. So I need you to go ahead and do this required reading. And then the others are
Don't put
suggested
that in
readings.
there.
Guys, please mute yourself when you are joining. Guys, please mute yourself.
Professor, the first link
Yes.
is not letting me like accessing the content. They say that did not work. Sorry, but
Okay, so look, the last link that I posted in here,
Mm.
that's
The
the
first
first
one.
Here, the last link that I posted in here, that's the required lecture. That's the first one that you need to read, okay? The last one that I just posted in this chat, okay?
Is the last link I need, not the first link you posted here? Because I
The
see three
first
links.
link is the link to the notebook that you have access to through the share space. And for that you have to use the one that you are logged in with to the share space. But this in the bottom is the link directly to the resource, the first direct link. The second link, okay, the first link that I posted is just a link to your SharePoint notebook where all the links are in there. But the last link is the required lecture that I want you to go through, okay? The required reading for self-exploration, okay? Understood? So you guys are going to read through it. It's required. And then I'm going to give you the suggested readings, okay?
How much time do we have to do it?
Okay, so I'm going to give you 1 hour for that. Then we're going to go over installing Node.js in your computer and creating your first app. But first of all, you need to do self-exploration, okay?
Hey, thank you.
You're welcome. And I'm pasting there the other links that are suggested. Copy, paste. Here. So the links are on the notebook, but at the same time, you have them here in the chat. The first one where is React, thinking in React, that's the required reading. Thinking React, that's required reading. And the others, developer, Mozilla JavaScript reference, and the other JavaScripts are suggested reading, okay? So you have 1 hour to read through this, and then we can go over, after your self-exploration, we discuss. After the self-exploration, we're going to discuss your discoveries, and then we can start working on the and then we can start working on our React app. Okay, do this self-exploration now. I will set the timer for you to start. Dihai, you have a question, Dihai?
Oh, I'm sorry. I need to change my name. This is Veron. What are we? We're just reading through the React stuff, right? And the developer thing. That's it.
Yes,
As a
yes.
self-discovery thing, right?
After you're done, after do the self-discovery, we are going to self-exploration. We're going to go over and then create our apps. Okay.
Okay, got you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, so I'm going to mute myself. I will set the timer. Yes, Ajani, you have a question?
So it's the last 4 links that we're paying attention to, right?
The last 3 links, the last 3 links.
The
So
last 2 links? 3?
3. Yeah. React, thinking in React. And then these. and then the closures, okay? For
Because-
JavaScript.
Sorry, because React, you have React.dev learn thinking in React. So like that's the,
Yes, that's one link.
and then, okay, because I see, because I got like four links that kind of say it, but I don't know. Oh,
No,
I see.
it's 3 links in one. It's that I just
Oh,
copy and paste for the people who just joined in.
okay, I see what you mean. All right, I got you now. I understand. All right, no problem.
Mhm.
The notebook, there are like 5 links.
Yes, in the notebook there are 5 links, but the required readings are the first 3 links in the notebook. Okay, like the first required link, and then the 2 links that will go together and go over the installations of Node.js, and then creating our first app. Okay. So the three lectures, the 3 readings are for your self-explorations. Then we can do the installation on the computer together, and then we can go over the creating your first React app, okay? Sounds good? Let's go ahead and you start. I'm going to check in with you at, what is the time right now over there? Right now it's supposed to be 6. Okay, so at 7 o'clock we check in, and then we continue with building your React app, okay? Please do the reading and so on. Okay? Okay. Yes. Yes, indeed. After class today, we can do discussions about Postman. All right. I mute myself. You guys do your readings. Awesome. Did you guys finish all the readings?
Not all.
Oh,
I saw the slides and the required one. And there was
Mhm.
another one I saw, which was a quick start. It wasn't on the one of the links. I was just curious.
okay. Did you guys need more time to go through self-exploration, or we can move on? All right. All right, so let's move on, okay? Let's move on. So let me just go ahead and share the screen. Sorry. All right, guys. So this is what it's called. You need to have Node.js installed on your computer. If you want to install Node.js, there are multiple ways to install it. One of those ways is by first, why don't you check if you already have it installed? So go to your command prompt or terminal and type in node. If no error message comes out, it means that you have it installed in your computer. Right now, I have Node.js installed in my computer. I have multiple versions of Node.js, and therefore, because of different projects or some legacy projects that I need to use an older version of it, and so on. So I will show you how to change versions, meaning that you can have
Yes.
multiple versions of Node.js installed. But before that, I will show you how to install it. Yes? Do you have a question?
Yeah, I already installed, but like I'm just saying, it's not like an app, right? We cannot see it.
Install it.
I already installed it, but I'm saying if it's an app or it's what is Node like overall?
So Node.js is a framework. It's a JavaScript framework that serves for you to work on the back end or a full stack to build. You can use Node.js to build server apps. All right. You can use some frameworks apart from the server apps. You can use some libraries like Express, or you can use just Node.js itself or React.js to be able to have more abilities, to have more features available to you. So Node.js, you can think about Node.js a framework, okay? It's a JavaScript platform, and it's like a job. It's for you to be able to work on web applications, okay? So now instead of just thinking of Java script as a client face or front end language, you can also think about JavaScript as a full stack because you can build the server apps, which are not the server apps are either the middleware or the server apps are either the the backend or the core of your web application. All right. So yes, another question, Veron?
A quick question.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, let me just change the speaker. You can hear me, right?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. What is a lexical environment?
So when it's talking about a lexical environment, we are talking about well, what did you see? A lexical environment is something that has to do like data structures. Like, for example, something that has indexes, like, for example, an array or something where you can do a mapping, okay? So basically like an array, a JSON object, data structures where you can save key value pairs or something that you can access later on, like regular arrays. Okay.
Okay, so it's like mind mapping. So you have like trees and it's almost
Yes,
like
correct.
okay, kind of okay,
Mhm.
got you. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. So yes, you can start. Yes, you will be storing. You will be storing data in those, right? Variables. All right. Do you have another question, Veron? Because you have your hand raised.
Oh no, no,
Okay.
no, no, no.
Okay. So let's continue. So download Node.js. You just go to Node.js and you can download the installer based on which do you want. Do you want the Windows installer, the Mac OS, or the source code? I would say For Windows, you get the Windows installer, the MSI. Okay. And depending on the version of your operating system, I would believe that you will be selecting the 64 bits for your operating system, right? If you have a Mac, you can use the package installer, and so on. So you just download it and let the installer do the job of installing it for you, okay? And once it has been installed, you can type in here and check if Node is installed just by putting the keyword Node in your terminal or your command prompt. Understood? Do you guys need some time to install it, to install your Node.js? Okay, so 5 minutes and we continue after that. So you have 5 minutes.
Okay.
Just next.
Yeah.
Next.
I don't take automatically. Okay. And install.
Install.
All right.
Mhm.
Just want to make sure, because sometimes I don't know, within the setup, there may be certain things that I have to add.
Oh yeah, but don't worry about it. It's all simple.
All right,
Okay.
all right, I'm gonna stop sharing, and I guess if anything comes up, I'll ask you when we share again.
Okay, sounds good. In order for me to switch versions, I do use the other version. So for example, I'm going to go to my terminal.
It says NVM not defined.
And that means that you have to install the NVM, okay? I will show you how to install it, but first I'm going to show you how to switch versions, and then I'll go over to the installation of NVM, okay? So I have my version in here. I want to install my version. I want to use a different version, so I want to do first. I want to check which versions of nodes I have, okay? So I do in here NVM ls, and it shows me that I have two versions, the 18.16, the one that you just installed, and the 12.22, etc. Okay, so if I go, let's say for example, if I say I want to use the 18.16, I can just do use 18. I need to allow, and now I can see that if I go ahead and do this, I can see which one is the currently that I'm the current one that I'm using. You see, so easy for you to change versions. If you have multiple version installs, and when you go to the workplace, you will face the problem that sometimes the app is not compatible with the newest version, and you have to use the oldest version. It's very common. So that's why having this knowledge of using the Node version manager is very important, okay? So there are different ways to install the NVM, okay? There you can see in here different ways to install it. One of these versions, you can grab those, download now from the repository, Okay, so I'm going to copy this repository for you and post it in the chat. Okay, and right there, we can see download now for this for Windows, but also you will have a one for the others, not only for Windows, but also the others could be for Mac or Linux. Okay. So then if you are using Windows, then you go ahead and click on download now, and it's going to take you to this page. Okay. And it's going to show you all these different type of files to do the NVM version, to download the NVM version. Since this is, if you have a Windows machine, you're going to download the executable file. All
What about
right?
Mac? What about Mac? Where do you have to go for Mac?
For Mac, 1 second. For Mac, you have to use the curl in the shell in your terminal. Okay. Like this. You go to the terminal and put this.
There's no Mac link. Where's the
Copy. This is how you do it. You go to the terminal and copy this link here. I'm sharing with you the link. Copy paste. You press this curl command in your terminal. You type in curl CURL, and then this -o dash, and then this is how you install it in your Windows, I mean in your Mac OS or your Linux machine.
okay, so the GitHub repository is nothing. It's not
Yes,
for
what
Mac.
was it? So, well, not exactly for Mac, but this is but the Mac version is for the shell, and your Mac is you will install it through making this curl command. Okay. All you have to do for the curl command on the Mac OS is to put curl and then the -o dash, and then you are going to put the URL where your install is.
Miss, I did what you just said right now, and it says this ensures the entire script is downloaded. So I finished it.
For the
So-
Mac or for the
Yeah, for the Mac.
Windows?
Yeah, for the Mac. For the Mac.
So
Yes.
if I copy and paste that right there, that whole entire thing, is it gonna work?
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
do I need a specific link?
You have to put the keyword curl and then put the
Yeah.
other things in there.
No, you pasted it in the chat. That's why I'm just asking. Like,
Yes, correct.
will
Yes.
it work?
Everything entirely in the terminal. So let me know. I will give you 5 minutes if you have a Windows or if you have a Mac. Okay. So 5 minutes to install this. Okay. I'll mute myself.
Quick question, the first link, I know it's for Windows. That link you just hit on, when the page opens up, it just hits, you just click download now.
Yes,
it?
correct. For the Windows ones, for the first link where it takes you to the GitHub repository. Yeah.
Professor,
Yes.
can you repeat how we check if we have NVM?
Just typing NVN in your chat, like in your terminal or command prompt. And if no errors happens, that means that you have NVM installed already. I'll mute myself while you guys do the installation of the NVM.
NVM is lowercase or uppercase? Oh, no.
lowercase. Okay, so while you guys do it, you have 4 more minutes. Okay, great, but there's still more of your teammates working on the installation. Go ahead, press enter. Okay, so let it do their job.
Okay.
It says fetching.
All right. So I think it's gonna work. Thank you.
You're welcome. So,
Professor,
okay,
I don't
yes.
know why, but I use that command like broom install NVM
Uh-huh.
that time, but I don't know why they say I don't have that.
You don't have brew installed in your computer.
No, I have broom installed in my computer. I installed that last time, like the
Oh, you
last
did?
class. Yeah,
Oh, okay, so
but they're telling me, you see, can I share too?
yes, please share.
You see, when I type the command VM, they say the command is not found.
Oh, and you
Yes,
did that.
I wanna now doing the same. Oh, let me clean that. You see,
That is interesting. Okay. For
I
now, you
type,
don't need to have
I
it.
I type like the link you send.
Mm-hmm.
I see that, and when I type nvm, it's saying command not found.
Okay, so both of you.
Same thing for MacBook too, yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so this is not this MVM. We can get back to MVMs later.
Okay.
Because our main focus of today is creating your React app. Okay.
Okay.
So you can stop sharing, and we're going to be creating our React app. Okay. One quick second. I just received the notification. All right, here we are. Let me share the screen. Okay, so let's go inside any directory that we want to save our app. I don't want to just put it inside Janil. I want to put it maybe inside documents. And let me see, what do I have in here? dir. I will go in the thing that says Node React projects. Node. By the way, dir is only for Windows. For Mac, you use like ls to list the directories or files that you have in there. Okay. For Windows, you use dir. For Linux or Mac, you use ls. If you want to use ls in Windows, then you use PowerShell instead
Is
of
there
using the command line.
an extension of Visual Studio for Node.js?
So you can install Node.js using Visual Studio as well. Okay, so but if it's not installed and you already have Visual Studio installed, then you have to install it. Okay, so then let's go to CD Node React projects. I'm going to check if there is something in here. I want to here create one. I want to create my first React app. Okay. So the way to create it, there are different ways to create it. Okay. But by the way, usually we can use either an npm. Let's make sure that we have npm installed. So you press npm, which is for you to be able to install packages. But instead of npm, we are going to be using npx. If you don't have npx installed, okay, if you don't have npx installed, then you can do npm install and then npx, okay? And that will be installing npx. They both work similarly. The only difference is that with the npm you can install packages, and with the npx you can execute packages without having to install packages. Okay, so we're going to use npx for this demonstration, and then you put npx. Am I recording? npx create React app, and you can set a name to it. Give me 1 second. So what are you guys typing in the
I
chat?
just found a Stack Overflow solution, so
You guys found some way how to install npm in Mac OS?
Yes, you're missing the bash pipe operator, then bash from your that's why.
Oh, okay. I don't, so since I don't use Mac, I don't have a Mac. I didn't know more about it, much about it, the Mac, okay? But since you guys have the Mac, you guys will have to help me here, okay? So then you select the name for your app. Either you leave it empty and it will create the name itself, or you can create a name for your app. Let's call it first app, okay? And voila. You can set anything that you want to do, yes. And let it create your first React app version right now.
what did you type?
Miss, I have a question.
You npx, yes, this one.
So
npx
And then create.
create.
Let me copy and paste it for the chat. If you don't have npx installed, you can install it in the previous line that I showed you how to. And I know that somebody else has another question. What was the other question?
yeah, how you created the document? What is the name? Create React project.
So I just put it in there in the chat. npx create React app, and then the name, first app I put from the name of the app. Okay. That's, and after that, after everything gets installed, I will show you the directory. And then I will show you how to start it. It already has something created for you. So wait until
can you-
there. Yes,
Can you cancel it?
cancel?
Yeah.
Why?
It's in the wrong directory.
Myself?
Yeah.
Why?
Or can I move a directory inside another?
Oh, yourself. You can do it. You can cancel. Of course, you can. And then also you can delete it later on. You can delete it and then you can also CD it to another one. Of course. Okay? You can always cancel.
Miss, how you installed it? Like, what did you wrote the last time?
I just typed it in here. How to install NPX or how to create the first React app? Which one?
Create for a React app, first app.
Here, there you go.
But
I
like on my
pressed it.
computer, it doesn't like download it. I don't know why.
It's not to download, it's to create. I will show you soon. But now my first app has been created. Then I'm going to CD first app, just like here. I'm just going to show you, then we're going to go over all over again, okay? Don't worry. This is just demo apps. So we can go over again, okay? There's nothing serious, okay? So we are going to CD into the directory and then you do npm start. And there, our first app has been getting ready to start. And wait until I get the local host for it, the address. So it's still starting. So it takes a little bit since it's the first time that I'm starting that first app. And now I click on allow access, Node.js allow the access.
Professor, can I ask you a question, please? Sorry.
Yes, after I'm done with this, we can go over, okay?
Listing all the files like is LC or CL? I forgot.
Oh, LS.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. So there you go. Our first app is running. We're going to go over this one more time. Let me give you a quick break, and then we go over any debugging issues, or we can repeat the process. Okay, one break of 7 minutes. It's okay, guys? One break for 7 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Okay. To stop my app because I
Professor,
need. Yes.
I'm sorry, but like I'm getting in trouble. Like I create a folder on my document, but I can't open it on my VS Code.
Yes, I can show you how. Give me 1 second, okay?
I
First
know
of all,
how, but it's not going. Okay.
don't worry, everything is going to be fine, okay? Um, okay, so you told me, how do I stop the server app running? How do I stop the app from running? Anybody would like to tell me? Yes, Control C. Yes, Edward. Control C. It's asking if you want to terminate, and you say yes. And there you have terminated. Okay?
How do you get the web app thing?
The what?
Is it you have this localhost 2000? How do you set that
Yes.
up?
So that has been, that's the default URL or address that has been assigned to the React. So this comes in default. If you want to change it, you have to go into the app itself. I will show you how to. Okay. Now, let's go
So do I do
over
npm start? Do I do npm start?
after you have been inside the folder where your app is. So you CD inside the folder, and then you can go ahead and do the npm start. Okay. So you can always change the port number. It does not have to be 3000, but the default value is 3000. You can always change that default port number to like 8000 or anything that you want. I will show you how to do it. But first, let's go into debugging time because some of you are having debugging issues. All right. So who is the first one? Okay, Veron. What's your error?
So my error is, let me share the screen. before I do that. So my error is I can't create the first app. I type in npx create React app first app, which is the name of the app, and it's not working.
Can you
Get an
please
error.
type in npx?
Wait, can you see the screen? Hold on.
Yes, I can. Can you type in npx? I want to verify that you have npx installed. Can you please
Yep.
type in npx?
Yeah, that's npx.
Mm,
Oh, okay, never mind.
okay, you put it there. Okay, so do it.
So
npx install. No, npx, not install, erase. npx space create
space create app.
create dash react dash
Dash app
app space and the name for your app.
first.
Press enter.
Okay, I don't. Oh, never mind.
CB is not a function. A complete log of this debug. Create app. Can you do me a dir? Can you, is this a Windows or I watch?
Windows, yeah.
So you have something installed in there. Can you go to a different directory or create another folder?
All right.
So you can do cd dot
Yeah.
one and then put make dir. Put a name for a folder. Call
Say
it
node or new node.
anything you're going to call it. Okay. And then cd to the new node. CD. Just type it in. You don't even have to just type it in. It's so easy that you don't have to even worry about it. And then do the npx create.
First. Everything here is correct, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Press enter.
Yeah, same error.
Ooh. Okay. So it seems something different in there. I don't see why is it that you have this error, but I'm going to show you different ways to create your app that are now using the npx. Okay.
Okay.
Another one is using the npm.
Try like it would be like npm create React app first app.
No. Put npm installed. You're going to be creating like a Node.js. Is like a Node.js style of app. So this is how you create it. npm install, or you can put I if you want not to put the word install completely, then space. create dash React dash app, and then you can put a name if you want or not. It will create
Yeah, I'll
a
create
name for
one.
you.
and let's see if this
Okay.
works.
Press enter. And
Okay.
there you go.
It's still the same, right?
It's still the same. The only difference is that, you know, there are some things that are being installed, but then the same thing. Don't worry. The
Okay.
thing. Okay. Next. Oh, no, wait. Do you want to go? Let's go till the end with this one, with you. Let's wait until the end with you. 1 second.
Okay.
Let everything be completed. And so if somebody else is having the same issue, they can just also go through it. Okay, now CD to the first app. So basically, the way that you do the npm install that, you are actually doing like a Node.js app, but it's the same thing, okay? Can you go ahead and dir, please? Dir. Can you open to the new node, please? Can you go ahead and open the file, the folder in your new node?
Okay. Yeah. Hold on.
Or can you share it, please?
Yeah. I'm gonna share it. Just need to open the folder. Hold on, my computer's a little bit slow. I'm sorry.
You're not sharing it.
Yeah. I know. I have a little bit of documents there. I'm sharing it right now. My computer's a little slow. All right. Let me share it again. There we go. All right, I'm sharing it right now.
So something has been installed in there, but I don't see
Yeah.
the
It's been s-
file, the folder itself for the Node.js.
Yeah.
Do npm install. No, start. Just checking. Press enter. Okay, so no, you don't
He has
have
to
it.
CD again. CD
Have to-
again.
Yeah, but he does
Oh,
not.
sorry.
It's not being
Let's see.
created for him. The folder for the it's not being created for him. The folder for his Node.js or React app. Let's go back to you and see if there is a different
Professor.
errors. Yes.
Like he's not in the folder. He's in the folder, right? New node.
Yeah.
No, but he's in the folder and you know, but he's not in the folder for the app that he created. Like
Yeah.
where there says there should be an app which is going to be called
First app.
first app, a
You
folder
search
called first app. Yeah.
he searched CD first app.
Yeah. Okay. So let's do one more once
Is
again.
it
Can you
possible
go?
go ahead.
Yeah.
Put
Can you
CD
go?
first app.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you please go and scroll? Press the up key, and I would like to see up key for the create app, and take away the first app. Just let it create it with the first name. Do the npm instead of the npx.
Oh.
Okay. That's
It work?
It says please specify directory. No. Do it for the npm install, create app, and try not giving it a name. Create React app.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, I got you something. Yes, I have an idea. Did you create? Did you do that? You install it. Okay, so okay, do this now. npx
mhm.
create React app and then the name of the app. One should be working because if it's not working, something weird with your node. We
Yeah, I
are
might
going
have
to
to
check later.
reinstall or probably reset the computer. Probably.
But first, press enter. Yay, it's creating it.
Okay,
Woo!
wow.
Okay, so it seems that you want your node didn't come with the create React app installed. So you need it. So you install it with an npm, and now you can use it with the npx. Okay.
So
So
would I
now
have
you
to?
can.
Oh, sorry. Would I have to do that with like other? Say, for instance, I make a new one. I would have to do the
No, you
npm
wouldn't have
install.
to. No, you wouldn't have to install it because it will. It might be if you are doing it in the same folder. It might not require to you because it will be available. Maybe you want to install it next time globally and it will be
Okay.
accessible. Okay.
Okay, got you. All right.
So
Thank you
now
so
you know once it's installed, you just cd to the first app directory and then npm install. Okay.
Got you. All right. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Next. Go ahead. Ayani. Oh, wow, that's a lot.
Right. Sorry, it's a lot of desktop stuff I had to control at one point. Share desktop. Anyway, so I'm trying to like get to where because I was watching how you did it. So I got the NVM running version 1.
Okay, you're good. Go to down. Do you want to go ahead and create a folder where you want to have all your Node.js file, apps in there?
Yeah, let me
So go down to the very bottom. To
sorry.
the very bottom to over there. Did you create a folder already, or you didn't create a folder where you want to go to?
I didn't create a folder yet.
Do you want to create it in the documents, or do you want to create it somewhere else?
Documents would be documents is fine.
So you put instead of cd, you put make directory, make the space, and the name for that folder where you want to store all your Node.js app or your Node React apps, No, call it React because we are also focusing on React. Also, no React apps,
Node React.
Apps. Yep.
And then press enter.
Yes. And then just cd to the Node React apps space. And now let's first do npx. Let's see if you have npx. Press npx. Press enter. It seems that you have npx. Now do npx create React app. Let's check if you already have React app. Guys, please mute yourself if you are not asking for a question. Okay, continue. npx create dash React dash app, and then the name for the app space. And what name would you like to call it? First app, if you want.
Yeah.
Lowercase f.
Oh, it has to be lowercase.
Does not require it, but if say make it lowercase. It's the name of a folder.
Oh, okay.
No, I mean to say just for the first letter.
Oh, for the first letter. Oh, thanks. Sorry.
Anything could be fine. You can put a dash and then app. It's up to you. Okay, that's okay. You already have the camel style, so just press enter. If it gives you errors, it means that, hey, did you press enter?
Yeah,
Has been finished. Click on yes. Why?
press
You
Y.
actually do it because I don't think you did it. Press Y, yes. Y, press enter. There you go. Continue, let it do. And it says no longer, you shouldn't have capitals letters. So let's go again. Forward, go to the top, take away that capital A from there. Put a dash. Put a dash between first app and first. Yes, there you go. Press enter. Mhm. Now you know. After you're done with that, CD to first app, and then you do no, then you do npm start. Next, do you want me to wait for you, or we can go to the next?
Oh wait, so wait, just still type in next. Oh yeah, after this.
No, you don't have to type in next. I'm asking for the next student, but I'm asking you, are you ready? You're good now on your own? If for the next step, after it has been created, then you can CD to first app. And after you CD to first app, you're going to do npm start. Understood?
So CD first app, and
Mhm.
then NDM.
No,
Sorry,
N as in Nancy. npm start.
NPM start.
Yes.
Okay.
Let
Okay.
me know. Once it's done, you know. Okay, just try it on your own. You can unshare, and I will go to the next student.
All right, got you. I'll stop sharing.
Okay. Next student needs help. Next student. Next.
I can come.
Oh yes, go ahead.
Wait, she can go. I'm sorry, because I thought I didn't next. She can go.
Yes, Mamadou is now. Next student is after you. Who is the next after Mamadou? I don't know. Someone please mute
I can
yourself.
be next. I can be next for.
Okay, so
Me too,
Pali,
Jason.
you are after Mamadou. Okay. Now everybody mute yourself while I'm talking to Mamadou. Okay. And okay, so Mamadou, unmute yourself. Who is it? Is it Mamadou or who? Because
It's
right
me.
now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like
Uh,
I'm
That
trying
was
to
a mistake.
I'm trying to open the folder in VS Code, but I don't know why it's not like letting me
Okay,
open it.
so go to the files and then click on open folder.
It's not opening. It's like
What happens when you click on open folder?
nothing happened.
You have to
Yes.
restart it. Maybe you have to
Yeah,
restart it.
restart your close your
I
VS.
close it. I close it. I open it again. Like it's giving me the same thing. If I come here, opening folder, no, nothing happened.
But maybe you have
Maybe you have too many things open. Maybe you need to just
so many things.
close something. Maybe it's the memory that is taking so much. Okay.
Yeah, maybe. Okay.
So
Okay.
close everything, exactly everything, even the app. You can terminate the app, like meaning in the terminal, you can do app. You can
Yeah,
do command C. You got it. So close. You see, this browser is very full, very full.
Yeah.
You want to close it as well, and then close everything, and then try again. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. And okay, so let's see for the next student. In the meantime, Mamadou, you can come back to me after everything has been closed, and then once your studio gets responsive, okay? So who's the next student?
Wait, sorry, just a quick question. After you go to CD to the app, what happens after that? You're supposed to go
Then you
to
do
the
npm start.
NPM start. Okay, thank you. Sorry about that.
No problem. Okay, so Pali,
Okay, can you see my screen, miss?
it's loading. Yes, now I
Okay.
can.
So the question that I have
Mhm.
is that I want to put that new node over here on the document.
You
Because when
are
I do
in a folder already called new node.
I didn't know that. Oh, I created the folder new node.
Yes.
Actually, I wanted
ls.
to, but I wanted to make the but I wanted to make the folder over here L document actually. And
No, you want to, so ls, it's to list down the folders and directory in, no.
okay,
Just do ls.
that's it.
That's to see the folders and directory. There is nothing in there, so it's not going to show anything. If you want to go back, you do cd dot.
Like this.
You press enter. And if you want to see what what files or folders are there, you do ls. And this is what you are. You want to go to documents?
Document.
So you do cd documents. C, not S, huh?
Like this, right? Documents.
CD stands for change directory. Yeah.
So now I have to
Now,
make
you want to create a new, what would you like to do? Would you like to create a new folder to save all your Node React apps in there? So then create it. Just put the folder name that you want. What name do you
I
want?
have to press mkdir, right?
To create the folder. What
Yeah.
and a name? You have to provide a name for it. What name do
Yeah,
you
I know.
want for the folder?
New app. I called it. Maybe.
No
Can I do it like?
spaces, please.
No, I didn't make a space. But should I? Can I do the dash over here or not?
Yes, if you want to, but that's not for creating apps. That's just to create a folder.
Oh, okay. New class then. Is good. Should I just enter it?
Press enter and then cd there. See that the new class if you want to create things in there.
Like this, right?
And
So-
then you want to start doing the Node.js. Check if you have Node. Type in there Node.
Yeah, I have Node. I have Node.
You have Node already? Let me
Yes.
see. Okay, so do Command C to exit that one. Command C.
Command C.
Yeah. Or Control C.
Oh, Control C. You said? Okay.
All right, no, not that one. Cancel. Control C. There you go. Control C again. Or
And-
Control C again, please.
Right now, it's good, right?
Yeah, so now you got outside of the node. Let's do the npx. Type in there npx. Let's verify that you have npx installed. Do you? Yes, you do. So then you do press enter. What did you just do? Type in exit. Press enter. Now do npx create dash react dash app and then the
And
name of your app. What name do you want to call it? First app?
New app. Or I mean,
Okay.
first app maybe.
Okay.
So, and now I have to enter it. That's it.
Yes. Press enter.
I have to click Y, right?
No, Press enter and then Y, yes.
Yeah.
Press enter. And after you do doing all of that,
Okay.
you will CD into first app and then do npm start.
Oh, let me just make it the notes here. CD,
Okay.
first app you said, and
Uh-huh.
after that,
First app, first app it has the dash, remember?
yeah, sure, but I'm at the notes, so the notes
Yes, but the
doesn't.
notes needs to be clear and concise. Okay.
CD first app, and after that,
And then npm start.
npm
Start space.
star, right? Liz, right? That's it,
Start.
right?
Yes, like that. Yep.
Thank you so much, Miss.
You're welcome. Next. Yes, next student. Who's next? Who's next? No next?
I can come back.
Yes, you can come back. Nobody else wanted yet.
I close. I
Okay.
close all of it, but still,
Okay.
maybe I need to turn off my.
Your laptop.
Yeah.
Yes, might have to turn it off because if it's still not working.
If you let so many apps down there, below there,
It's
you're gonna
not
slow your computer a lot. If you see all the apps that you have over there, you're gonna slow your computer a lot. Just saying.
Okay, so I'll let you close all of that and try again, okay?
Yes.
All right. So let me go back to here and I would like to show you something. So remember that I already terminated the app. So if I go again here, it's going to say, what are you talking about? Like, this is unable to connect, right? In order for you to be able to connect, you have to have the app running. All right, so let me go inside here and verify where is it that I have the where is it that I have the what is it that I'm going to say? Sorry. Users, Daniel, and documents, and I believe Node, React projects, and then I have the first app. It's over there. Okay, so I'm going to go to my VS. And I'm going to go ahead to Files, Open Folder, and Documents, and No React Projects, select folders. And I say, I trust the author. Yes, because it's myself. How can I not trust myself? I don't want actually to go there to, so there you go in here. We have our first app. Let me go back, okay? Let me open folder. And I want to go directly to the first app instead of this one. So this is the one that I want. So select the folder. And I just want to focus on the first app folder. Yes. And
So
now I want, yes, 1 second, guys. Let me finish showing you this and then you can ask me the questions, okay? So I'm going to close the welcome. I'm going to show you the public where the HTML file is. And then the source is where everything else is. The app, CSS, the app.js, JavaScript, logo, and so on. Now I stop this and I will ask, I will answer questions. Tell me, what are the questions that you guys have?
okay, so quick question. So after you open the Node React apps
Yes, I meant
folder,
to say, a first app, not the no React apps, but the first app folder, okay? So file, open, folder, first app. This one is the one that you want to open, select folder. And that's what you want, okay?
Yeah, because that's what I have in my yeah, because that's what it's inside the first. Oh, okay, so I have to open up Visual Studio first. Okay, I'm gonna do that right now.
Yes, if you want to have terminals, you have terminals here. You can add as many terminals as you want. Though you put this plus sign. So now, if you want to start the app from your terminal of your React app, this is how you do it. Yes, Mamadou.
Professor,
Yeah, tell me.
you know the command to open the folder on like on the command line to the VS Code, because it's still like the same.
To open the file on VS Code from the command line.
Yes, from the
Well,
command line to open it to the VS Code.
okay, so
I forgot the command.
I don't know, like
Yeah,
at the
it's
moment.
called, even though that is not working, that's why I was confused if it's the right one. Like a code that I use that is not working. Thank you, though.
Yes, I like I have never thought about it. Now it's the first time that I hear about that. All right, so you guys are able to open the folder, just the regular folder. I think Mamadou, it's all about rebooting your laptop, rebooting your computer. Okay, but maybe you would like to reboot it later.
After class, yes.
After class. All right. So, do you guys have questions? So Miguel says the code that is the command.
Yes, but it's not working. I was trying, I tried, I was thinking I'm wrong. That's why I asked you. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. So I am inside here, and if I want to start my app, I just put node start or npm start. Sorry, you can do either node or npm. Be nice up there. Npm start, and you can start it from here, from your terminal. And it's starting, and there you go. It's open it. All right. You can not necessarily have to start it from your command prompt or terminal. You can start it from your VS Code. All right. So let's talk about, you guys know, whenever you are installing a Node app, you will be installing it. You will need the set of dependencies that your app is using. Make sure that when you are going to be using a different operating system for your app, make sure that you are deleting the package-log.json, because mostly it contains dependencies that are for specific for your operating system. Jason is asking, how do I run the Node terminal on VS Code? Well, all you have to do, even in the PowerShell, all you have to do is just put in npm, and it will automatically do it for you. npm start, and it will automatically have Node for you. Okay. Yes, Vera, what is your question?
Oh, my mute, my mic was muted. I'm sorry. You said that in the package log JSON file, you have to delete it because it.
No, but this is deleting it now in your computer right now. You leave it right here.
Mhm.
It's done your installation. It means the package dash log that JSON, you will delete it when you upload it to GitHub and you want to share with someone else. They want to, and they have a different operating system. You don't want them
Okay.
to have the package dash log dash JSON.
And
Okay.
that's due to the fact that your computer has certain dependencies and certain
Yes,
packages
correct.
that other computers doesn't have. Okay,
Yes,
this is a
correct.
clarification. That's all.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes. Okay, so Jason is asking, npm start gives me an error on the terminal. Okay, let me allow you to share the screen so we can debug together. Okay, let me stop sharing mine so you can debug. Go ahead, Jason, share your screen. Yeah, seems that you don't have. Can you press in there? No, can you type in there Node? Can I see your command prompt, please? So can you type in your command prompt Node? Can you exit by putting Control C twice? One more time. Hmm. Huh. Hmm.
You press Y.
Hmm? So he has done the installation and everything on the command prompt, but it seems that the terminal, oh, okay, this is what we are going to do. Jason, it seems that you had probably you had this, let's close this, delete this PowerShell terminal inside here in there. Just press press not the one, the other one, the bin, the trash bin. Press the trash bin, the kill terminal, run the terminal again, go open the terminal again. No, wait, you can also open it. Okay, do it, the new terminal. Yes, new terminal. Okay, now type in there Node. Press it. It says that it's not recognizing this. Um, um, mm, sorry, I don't see why is that your. Can you close the Visual Studio and close Visual Studio itself and open it again? Click on the terminal and type in the thing. Do the node. Typing in the node. There you go. You have it. Now Control C to exit that one. Control C again, and now do npm star. There you go. I just needed to reset your thingy. Okay. Next.
Can I be the next one just for a second?
Yes. Who is the next one? Who talked? I don't know.
Polly, I just.
Okay, go ahead. Share your screen.
Sure. as you can see here, when I go npm start, it says your everything.
Give me 1 second.
Sure.
You are on the folder, right? Not in the file. Not in your app. You are on the folder. Type
Yes,
your
that's
folder
true.
name.
Yes, that's true. So no. Go back to your go back.
Yes, yes.
CD first app. First dash app. Press enter and do the no and npm star.
Well, yeah, that's it, right?
Yes, and thank you, Mamadou, for noticing. All right.
Type Y, you will have it.
All right.
That's it, right? Thank you.
Yes. All right. Next. Anybody? Ajani? Uh-huh.
Sorry, I'm muted, sorry. All I do is press yes
Yes,
here,
but
then.
something is running in the other thing. The thing is that it seems that you're already running the app and you didn't stop the app from the terminal, but it's okay. It now says running from the 301, but it's
Yeah,
okay.
cause it, oh, so I should have stopped it here?
Yes, you should have to stop it there so you can run in the other one.
Oh, so I could just, should I just close this?
Oh, you stop it with the Control C. Control C.
Control C on the
In
terminal.
there. Yes. Control C.
I hit control. Oh.
Yes. Yes. Press enter. Good.
And that's it?
Yes.
And then
Now
do I
it's
just
going
close the
to start
terminal?
with that. So you can also close it for the other ones, guys.
So close that, and
Yes.
then, so do I just start it again here then?
Mhm.
And kill the terminal, then I just, sorry, this, and then
Yes.
npm start.
No. You already have one running.
Oh, never mind. Sorry, okay.
It's okay. No
Okay.
problem. Remember you have to close it. You have to
Close the other
Control
ones?
C all the time. Not from there, but you have to close it from the terminal, so it does not also close the other things. Vivata is asking a question. Vivata is asking, when do we use npm init? npm init or node install or npm install is for when you have a new program, okay, a new application that has been created by someone else, and you want to install all the packages, okay? Not for now.
Wait, quick question. So I
Yes.
just terminated it here on the top, but then. And then it gave me this, and then I go to where. Give me a second. Yeah. Then I go here, and then it's still. These are still open, so I don't know.
But doesn't, if you reload them, you will see it will says connection. Like if you reload them, you will see connection, blah, blah, blah.
Oh, okay, just like this one right here, so I can close that. Let me see. So do the same here.
Yeah, you're checking if they're running. Okay. Close.
Alright, so they're not running, and then this one. Okay, so I'll start it up. I'll start it up again this time, so then it will come up.
Yeah.
Let me just. That's npm.
And give me 1 quick second. I need to turn on the light, and I don't even know what the light is in this place. 1 second.
Okay, now we're good. All right, I'll stop changing.
I will ask you to explore your first app. Maybe make it not to show the logo or change the logo. Okay. You can in here the HTML file, you can update your HTML file just for maybe instead of having React app, have something else. Okay. And also you can have maybe upload different logo. In the meantime, for here, I want you to explore the app.js and also I want you to explore what index.js is. I want you to do an self-exploration. And then tomorrow we're going to continue with the update of your first app. I want you to update it on your own, and then we're going to be doing maybe some type of cool app tomorrow. If you guys come up with nice ideas, we can make them tomorrow, and so on. Okay, I would like to let you go early for today, if you are fine with that, and we can continue tomorrow.
One of the Postman stuff.
Yes. Yes, so the things that you guys are doing today is based on the agenda. We are going to yes. I have a very good, nice course that is on LinkedIn that I would highly recommend that you go through it on LinkedIn, and it will also after you did that you will add a badge to your LinkedIn profile. Let me look it up for you 1 second. So what's it? A React certification, which is very, very fast. And you guys, I did it in the past. It's super cool. That's why I can tell you about it. 1 second, please. Let me log in, look for the link. So you do your self-exploration updates, and tomorrow we do more, okay? The one that I did, one of the ones that I did was here. 1 second. Learning. This is the one that I did from one of the things that was very cool. My library. Here, there are short courses. You can all take it. Yes. Yes, Pali, you can show me your Postman. So I have posted a nice LinkedIn course that is pretty fun and exciting. You can learn a lot through it, and I have done it in the past. If you guys are looking for extra resources, okay? And apart from that, I will gain for you 1 badge for your LinkedIn profile. Vivata, I think I saw one of your emails, but I didn't understand what was the email about. Can you tell me about the email? It's something about some supervising internship that you have?
Hello?
No, you don't need premium for that, Christopher. Yes, Vivata?
No, I thought you were talking to me. Sorry.
No, tell me, Vivata, what was the email?
Yeah, yesterday I said I wanted to ask you something private. Then you said to send you an email.
So
did.
I haven't checked the email. I will check the email and reply to you when I get some time, okay? Vivata.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
you're welcome. And I will, if I cannot reply by tonight midnight, I will reply in the morning, okay?
Hey, Miss.
Yes, Pali.
Can I join with my
Yes, you
MacBook
can.
on
Yeah.
the Zoom? So can you accept it? Just okay. Thank you.
Okay, just go ahead and do it. Yes, Sylvester, all the links we have been using are in the notebook, except for the recommendation, because you guy asked me for recommendations. You guys can keep by yourself from there. Just copy and bookmark it.
Professor,
Yes.
can I see you after class for 5 minutes?
Yes. So first Pali and then you, Mamadou. Okay.
Okay, can I share my screen now?
Go ahead. Okay, thank you, Edward. That's a very nice of you to share resources. Any resources share within your peers.
1 second.
Yes. Pali?
So the problem that I have, as you can see here on the test result, on the 1 second.
Yes, Veron, for today, I feel a little bit tired right now, and I would like to let you go early.
1 second. So as you can see here, Miss.
And I
is-
will see you tomorrow, Veron. I will see you all tomorrow, guys. At the same time, same hour, but tomorrow we are not going to let you go early, okay? Okay, so Pali, continue, sorry.
Yeah, I did everything, and right now I'm stuck at the collection test. As you can see here, at the
Mhm.
third one, it says skill check is the last one. You say use a base URL variable called skill check base URL, and expect
Expected
skill check base URL. Like I did almost the same thing.
to
Can I show?
match. Yes, please. Let me see.
Skill base check URL.
Okay, let me see your. No, let me to put a
Is it like
space
this
in
or
there.
is it space?
No, I want you to go ahead and go to the variables first
Variables, okay.
and collection.
Over here.
Oh, okay, they're not matching. Take away this post, or if you want to put the post, put it. Put a post. So echo/post. You see like the current value, just like the current value. Do you see
Current
current
value,
value?
yes.
Yes, you have that one. So put it there. They have to match. So you put that in there.
I have to take the echo.com.
No, what I'm saying is to put a /post in the initial value as well.
Oh, in the initial value over here, right?
Yeah. Mhm.
Like this.
Yes, try doing that one. Yeah, save and test.
Let me go to test.
And let's see what do you get. Still? Okay, 1 second. A
Okay.
skill check. 1 second. Let's read it. Okay, 1 second. A skill check used a base URL variable called skill check base URL. Expected a skill check base URL. Skill check. Oh, there is a space in between the. You're
Oh,
right.
that's one, right? Oh, okay. Maybe it's this one. Save now.
No, wait a second. You didn't put. You had to. Did you do it? You put a
Yeah, I
space.
didn't. Yeah, the space was there. I just delete that space, or I have to make it both sides. You think so?
Ah, no. Wait a second. Put it there. Save it and run.
Should I put the space or not? Oh, it says no. I need the space actually because it says. Yeah, right.
But let me take a look. Actually, let me take a look at your variable again
Sure.
in the variables in the collection. Let's check if you have an extra space in there. Actually, is it variable name? Do you have an extra space in there?
Variable. No. But and
I think it will be better if it goes to like where he initialized the variable and check it from there. Because if we change it directly in the URL, it's gonna affect like where it was initialized, it will always go back there. So you have to change it right from the where you initialize the variable.
from
Or if you'd like, you could just delete the whole variable and like recreate it.
this one, you think so? Because
Okay. That's what he's saying. So
but the problem is here it says 200. Okay, so over here is
no,
good.
but okay, it's just because they're expecting to have that. I would say yes. Remove that skill URL. We are going and do it again the variable without the
Check
space.
URL?
Yes,
Should I remove everything, right?
yes. Remove everything right now.
Okay.
And there too, in there, now can you go back to the collection for one quick second? Collection variables.
Oh, collection URL over here.
Can you copy? Can you uncheck that variable from there? Uncheck the skill base URL.
Like this, right? And check.
Okay. And copy this. Okay, so yeah, okay, so it says Christian is saying to remove the post, but let's do it. Let's try just to remove. Put the check mark again. Put the check mark again, and take away the post in both of them. Just for now, just for testing. Okay. If now we're going to do the other thing. It's not
I have to take the
required for me
slash.
to remove it. Remove it and remove the
slash
slash
too,
as
right?
well. Yeah, for both of them.
I'm saving
Save.
it. Yes.
And then go to your skill check. And in there, put the variable name.
Skill check, right? The skill check base URL.
Yeah, yeah, skill check. And then wait, don't you still need after that put the forward slash. After that put the forward slash. No, after the curly brackets, not inside the curly brackets, outside the curly brackets, put the forward slash post.
Over here. Post one.
I post.
That's it.
Try doing that. Now we're going to just rename this base URL. Try doing the test. No, that's the same errors.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is wait, 1 second.
Yeah.
Can you go back to the arrow? I want to check. 1 second. Okay, so you have used the base variable name skill check URL. Expected skill check to match. Can you 1 second? There is something to match. Yes, that's the okay. So try removing the spaces and remove the variables from the space from there. Okay, remove the variable from there. The
Should I remove
space.
the variable?
Save it. Don't worry if it's a unresolved variable right now. Go to the variables part of your collection. Erase the skill check or uncheck the skill check.
Okay.
Create a variable in the bottom, add new variable.
Okay.
And call it a skill checks base URL, no spaces. Make sure you have no spaces in there at the end.
Like this, right?
Yes, and then put the echo on the other side, initial value, and uncheck that. And that one, initial value, that no, just copy the link from the top. Put it in both of them. Yeah. Save. Save and run the test. Actually, let's see your skill check. Let's see if it's result.
Wait, 28. Oh my god.
Oh, okay, that was Space doing that thing okay. Okay, so run. Okay, so you're good now. You can submit and you can get your certificate. Have a nice day. Oh yes, Mamadou. Mamadou, are you there?
Yes, I want to see you private. If it's
Okay.
possible.
I'm going to make a breakup room for you. Okay, only for you. Okay.
Okay.
Give me 1 second. How do I create breakup rooms and manually? And as I will name Mamadou in the Mamadou. Yeah. Assign to Mamadou and open all rooms. Join Mamadou. I'm going to join myself. Hello, Mamadou. So tell me now. Tell me
You're
what.
recording it.
Sorry.
Recording.
Am I recording?
Yeah.
Oh,